What are you making?
Just on the pancakes.
Just some pancakes?
Yeah, just stirring it up.
Just a little bit. Stirring it up?
Yeah, but the egg is disappearing under this.
Oh, the egg is disappearing as you stir it. Gotcha. You think it's all ready for us to cook them?
Nope.
What else do you have to do?
We just need a chocolate chip tray.
You want to put chocolate chips in them?
Yeah.
Oh my goodness. You think that's a good idea?
Yeah.
Alright. Look at how good you're making them.
Yeah, it is. Smell baby cereal.
It's what? Whoa, 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 what are you doing?
I'm trying to smell how good it is.
You're trying to smell how good it is?
Yeah.
Alright, goose man. Silly goose. Alright, easy, easy. Oh my goodness, you're a silly boy. Dude. Alright, enough. You're gonna spill your pancakes. My goodness. You get worked up. This is like... Man, I haven't seen you laugh this loud in a long time. Alright, now you're just being a goose. Alright, I love you.